Let's talk about board cracking. One of the main causes of cracked decking is the improper configuration of joists. If your joists are installed too far apart, there's not enough support, and in time, this could lead to cracking.
Another cause of cracking can be the configuration of the decking clips. These clips are important as they secure the boards to the subframe and help facilitate load bearing. If the clips are not spaced out correctly, there can be an unequal distribution of weight, and that can lead to cracking. Decks without sufficient ventilation or that suffer from too much moisture due to lack of sunlight are also susceptible to cracking. On the flip side of that, a deck exposed too harshly to the sun may become dry and crack. Make sure you are choosing the right material based on your specific location and needs. Our titanium range is the strongest and most durable, so I highly recommend considering that as an option for your deck.
View our installation guides and videos on our website to make sure you are installing correctly. If you're concerned about your decking configuration or plan on placing heavy objects, I recommend speaking to a qualified builder or structural engineer for expert advice before installation.